Hey guys, how are you? How you doing today? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. Wanted to come and chat with you today, darlings, about my February empties, the things that I've warmed up or sprayed or smelled or used in the month of February. So I just wanted to come and show you guys what I have warmed up so far and what I have used in February. I absolutely love Scentsy. I'm my biggest customer, guys, and I'm just such a fan, such a fan of it, So I just wanted to share that with you. So I hope you guys are having a super fantastic day. And I thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. So hello, everybody who's new to my channel. And thank you so much, guys, for being a part of my family. Thank you so much. So let's get down to the first thing that I used or had to replace when I first came and, and say, okay, this is what I'm going to start doing and sharing with you guys. Okay, so I had to replace a 15-watt light bulb in one of the night light warmers that I have. A mini warmer is something like you see that's glowing in the back there. So that is considered a mini warmer. So I had to replace it with a 15-watt light bulb. Then also I had to replace a 25-watt light bulb. I decided to go with a color bulb this time. So I replaced the 25-watt bulb. A 25-watt bulb will be used in one of those warmers that you see back there in the back. So I had to replace a light bulb. Had to replace a 25-watt light bulb and a 15-watt light bulb. And the next thing I used, which is one of my favorite scents, guys, is Wassail Wonderland. Love it. It's part of the Scents of the Season collection. So it's Wassail Wonderland. It has orange zest, lemon peel, and cinnamon sticks over fresh fir needles. So this was one of the scents that I warmed up in the month of February. The next scent that I absolutely loved, that I enjoyed, was Bring Back My Bar. Lavender and white balsam. Lavender and white balsam. So lavender freshened by wintry white balsam and crisp amber. So I love the way this smells. It smells so good, fresh, clean scent. So I love that. Love that so much. So that is lavender and white balsam. And the next scent that I use that I absolutely love is Snuggle Up. It was from the Catching Z's collection. And that lavender balsam was from the Bring Back My Bar collection. So this one is from the Catching Z's collection. And it's settled down in cashmere woods, curled up with angel lavender and soothing sage. So I like this. It smells good. It's really fresh. So you could smell the sage. You could smell the cashmere. You can smell all the things. So this is one of my favorites from the collection. So that is Snuggle Up. And the next one that I warmed up was Apple and Cinnamon Sticks. So you can add some of these to your Scentsy Club. So if you guys have not subscribed to Scentsy Club, guys, go to Scentsy Club, check it out. You can click on one of the links in my description here, and it leads you to my website, wicklessallstars.com, and you'll be able to click on the Scentsy Club tab to be able to add all of your favorite scents that you absolutely love, that you never want to be without, guys. So they will pour that scent for you forever and ever if you decided to add it to your Scentsy Club. So add it to your Scentsy Club, guys. So this is Apple and Cinnamon Sticks. I absolutely love how this smells. And we had a fragrance flower once that I still have not, it's one of my empties, but I have not thrown it away yet because it still smells so good. So Tradition with a Twist, a classic apple and cinnamon blend, is infused with an elegant ribbon of spice and white pumpkin and earthly oak. So this is Apple and Cinnamon Sticks. Love it, guys. It was so good. So good. It's so good. I had to put it in my club because I want to keep getting it because I absolutely love the way it smells. So another one of my favorite staples that I love so much is the Bring Back My Bar for beach. So I use this more than once in like my living room, my kitchen, my bedroom. I put this scent everywhere. I put this scent, as I say, I put it on everything. I put this scent on everything. I wish it came in everything. It's the Bring Back My Bar Beach. So what is it? It's papaya and honeydew sweetened with a hint of coconut. But you don't really smell the coconut. You smell more papaya. And I love it. It's so good. And it makes you think you're in a tropical land or tropical space or tropical vacation. So I love it. It smells so good. So good. So I love that one. Okay, so the next thing I warmed up, which has happened to be my new favorite, guys. My new favorite is Lemon Verbena. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Lemon Verbena. It's fresh lemon zest, bright kaffir, which is Kaffir, kaffir, lime, and verbena leaf. And it smells divine. It reminds me of Lemon Pledge. I don't know if you guys remember Lemon Pledge, but it reminds me of that. So good. I love it. So one of my favorites, one of my new favorites. Definitely adding it to the club. My Scentsy Club, my new Scentsy Club one. Okay, Autumn Road Trip is the next one, guys. Take a tour through crisp harvest apple. Just picked, is it Unsure pear and a forest of towering silver oak. So this is Autumn Road Trip. It smells so good. It's clean. It reminds you of a nice road trip. It smells so good, especially during the fall time. So I love this. Love this. Okay, the next one is from our Catching Z's collection. It is Pillow Time, which is a blue tansy. They say it's like a tansy as a flower. It's tucked in with white, it's tucked in with silk, blossom, and calming passion flower. So blue tansy is tucked in with silk, blossom, and calming passion flower. So I love this one. It was clean, it was fresh, it was light, it was airy. So I love this one. It was called Pillow Time. It's one of the Catching Z's collection. And you can still have time to add this to the club, to the Scentsy Club. So the next one that I absolutely love is Catching Z's collection. It was the Sleepy Happy. Drift off to dreamland where delicate violet and bergamot rest on musk clouds. So this is what this Catching Z's collection was, the Sleepy Happy. So it smells pretty good. You can smell the violet, you can smell the bergamot, the musk clouds, you can smell it. It's really clean. That's what I love about the scents. The scents were relaxing because it was the Catching Z's collection. So I loved it. You know, did I feel sleepy? No. But I did feel calm. I like that. Yeah, I felt calm. Okay, so another great favorite that I like was a part of the Valentine's Day collection was the Best Berry. It was like Best Pals, Best Berry. But it was it was 2 cents, but I pretty much emptied this one. And I still have the other one left. So this is Best Berry. It's strawberry and raspberry notes with a rendezvous over silky, sweet, spun sugar. So it smells pretty good. There's some pieces of wax fall. It smells pretty good. So it's Best Berry. So I absolutely love this one. And I also had this in pods too. We had the Best Berry pod. So I emptied out the Best Berry pods for this. And it still smells just as good as it did when I first started putting it in. So I just started saving these. You can put these in your drawer and your hamper or something like that to give a fresh scent, or just sit one in your closet. I know that's what I've been doing with them, whatever. So that is Best Berry. Okay, guys. And the next one is I have had a NHL Fresh Ice. NHL Fresh Ice. Here it is. You can see the fresh ice. So you can add, well, at the time you can add this to your Scentsy Club. But this is Cold Air Icy Mint Face Off at a full strength while a slap shot of sandalwood brings home the wind. So I love this. This is so good. It smelled like a fresh, clean man. It really did. Just love me a fresh, clean man. Yes, love it. Love me a fresh, clean man. And this is what that smelled like, fresh ice. So yes, fresh ice, baby. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I love this one. And the next one was Gridiron Rush. And this smells pretty good too. This is supercharged citrus, crisp apple. Set the stage for the game day on the gridiron, while a dash of fresh cut grass. So you can smell it, but it smelled like a fresh cologne. That's what this one smelled like. So this was Gridiron Rush. So I went through this one, emptied this one out. And the next one that I absolutely love, that I'm almost done with the body wash in that scent, it's called Cozy Cardigan. So I had Cozy Cardigan in my warmers. So I had fine bedded bliss in layers of soft suede, blushing rose, and amber silk. So this smells good. In the scent soak, we have a fragrance mist for this. We have I believe we have a fragrance flower. It comes in so many different other products. The body wash, the soak, you will love it. Love it. It's good. Cozy Cardigan. So good. So good. Yes, good. So yes. Okay, the next one, which is my all-time favorite scent. I really love this scent forever, ever, and always. And that's Newborn Nursery. That is my favorite. It's fresh, clean, powdery. It says, the dreamy scent evokes memories cradling your little ones. So when you smell it, this is still, this container still smells just as good. So I love this one. So this is Newborn Nursery. Okay, so the next scent, guys, that I love is Black Raspberry Vanilla. Black Raspberry Vanilla. Yes, this is so good, guys. And if you ever have a warmer that needs to be cleaned out, put one of these cubes in there. And you will see that after you put one of these cubes in there, you can take some cotton balls and wipe it right out, and it'll look just like new. Black Raspberry Vanilla is good for a lot of things, and I love it. Fresh scent, and it helps you clean out a warmer. So I love it. So Black Raspberry Vanilla. It's delicious, sun-sweetened dark berries warm with vanilla, guys. So I love that one. And I also had this in the bathroom too, warming up Black Raspberry Vanilla pods. It still has the scent on there. So I just threw this in the hamper just to make the hamper smell nice. So I love it. Love, love, love it, guys. And the next thing I have is Blue Grotto pods. I also had this in one of my wall fans. It's called Runaway with Fresh Tropical Notes, Sweet Citrus, and Lush Botanicals. So this is Blue Grotto in pods. And I just finished a bottle of the body wash today. It still has a little bit down, as you can see in there. But it's still Runaway with Fresh Tropical Notes, Sweet Citrus, Lush Botanicals. Smells so good. One of my favorite body washes. Love it. And the next thing that I have an empty of is our Scentsy Fresh Clothesline. One of my favorites. Absolutely love our Scentsy Fresh Clothesline. It is amazing, guys. It's crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, and even a hint of white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry, dried naturally in the fresh air anytime you please. Sounds good. I love it. Love it. That's why I love it so much, because it smells like fresh linen, especially in between washes. So if you wash your blanket, you know, every Tuesday or every Thursday or every other day, in between washes, spray some Scentsy Fresh on your fabrics. Spray some Scentsy Fresh on your curtains or your couch. Smells so good. Okay, and the next thing and final thing that I used is pink cotton hand soap. I just finished up this pink cotton hand soap, guys. Find your fantasy on a cloud of clean cotton swirled with fruity pink berries and vanilla sugar. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is it. That was it. That was the last thing I used. I'm sure there's something else I used around here, but I love Scentsy, and you will love it too, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Comment below on all the things that you used this month and what were your favorite scents that I just posted, guys. Talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. You are amazing, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a good night, guys. Love you. Talk to you soon. Have a good night. Bye.